Is there such thing as overnight parts from Japan? I don't know. I know one thing though. I'm not waiting no 6 weeks for this little plastic screw, so I decided I'm just gonna make one in the shed. And yes, there is a follow-up video coming for the V-twin engine, as I've got a bunch of footage ready to edit. I just thought this small project would be a good opportunity to try some new and more interesting styles for filming and editing. And as a bonus, it gets another project off my to-do list. As always, I'd love any feedback you guys have, good or, mostly the good. After noticing a bit of a taper over the length of the part, I decided to take a quick spring pass. Obviously the amount of stick out isn't ideal, but my centre is far too large to use whilst turning a diameter this small. And here I'm setting the compound slide to 30 degrees for a 60-degree included angle. The key was to take very light passes because of the lack of rigidity in the part with the amount of stick out. Nice. The key here is to be very gentle to avoid squashing the delicate brass threads. Alright, cut me some slack on the hand filing. Its only purpose is for a little bit of grip so you can adjust the idle by hand. It's not like anyone's ever going to see it. And she fits like a glove. All that's left to do is kick it in the guts and see if she starts. Now if you enjoyed this video and watched to the end, make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment with any feedback. And the next video will be on the V-twin engine, as I have a whole bunch of footage I need to cobble together